Hey other people, what is up and welcome to my brand new review. In this review, we will test how to get the latest working Delta Executor for your Roblox absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs guys, and all it with a key. So guys, you will get the free key, so just follow my steps. So guys, as I said, you can do it with your Android, your iOS devices, or even with your PC. So for start, just go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily, guys. Click on Delta Executor. It should load up, guys, and then we will enter our Roblox username or our user ID. So guys, I will just enter my Roblox username because it's pretty easy. And enter it, click connect account, and guys, don't worry because it's the only thing that we will actually enter here, so you don't have to worry. You will just get this confirmation. So if it's your account, guys, just click yes, connect, and that's pretty much it. We're successfully connected. So now we will select import newest Delta Executor. Click there, guys, and you will get this option for selecting scripts that you want to install along your Delta. So guys, if you want, you can get free scripts by clicking there and selecting those. So I will go with this 4, guys. You can Google them and see what they do. So I will just continue with this 4, click continue. And guys, API will start connecting. So make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I'll record it more and I will review more websites. So let's see, guys, look at this. API is connected. Our Delta is ready and our activation key is there as well. Nice, guys. So now we will have to click I'm not a robot because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. Just click I'm not a robot and let's see what we'll get, guys. So we should get verified, and there we go. Verification successful. Delta Executor is imported to your account. Look at this, guys. Our username and our Delta Executor key, but it's fully unrevealed now. Look at this, guys. We got it connected. So now we will open our Roblox and we will test is it actually working. So okay, let's open okay, let's go with the Grow a Garden, for example. I will open this game because I like this game, and then we will test is it actually working. I mean, are we actually receiving our Delta? So let's see, guys. Oh my god, guys, we actually got fully activated Delta Executor. Look at this, guys. Thank you for using Delta. Absolutely free, safe and online, guys. We got it with key activated. Oh my god, let's check for the scripts, and boom, overflow, fortune, Nulzen and Nikius, just as we selected, guys. I'm so excited because we actually got this Delta along 4 scripts fully activated for free. Look at this, game detected, Grow Garden, guys. Now you can use your favorite scripts. You can also nice, guys, look at this. We got this amazing panel. So guys, you can also click there as well, and just make sure to search your favorite game. Like if you're playing right now Grow a Garden, just type Grow a Garden like this, click enter, and boom, guys, you will get all those scripts, and you just click here, click execute, and that's pretty much it. You will get all those scripts, but you must watch for free scripts because it's the best. And guys, that's pretty much it for this review. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you in next video. Bye.